So yeah, helping someone who is struggling that you know either because they have told you or perhaps because you just kind of notice or suspect. The best thing that you can do is to be there as a friend, to let them know that, if it's true, of course, that you're happy to support them, to listen to them.
Having a good starting point is perhaps chatting to a GP or just seeking a consultation with, whether it be someone you feel aligned with, a therapist, a counsellor, psychologist that you have found, and just starting that conversation on what's going on, and then usually they can recommend other support options for you.
There are also a lot of helplines that are available, community services and other online resources.
There are supports out there for people who are struggling with their mental health, and I think sometimes we turn straight away to the medical model, which can work for some people, but lots of people also, find that doesn't, particularly medication doesn't always work for everyone or doesn't work alone.
If it's sort of getting to a point where community-based support isn't sufficient, there's also, there's hospital-based options as well, crisis services available.
It can also be very, very hard to get in to see those people. And particularly over the last couple of years because of the pandemic, demand for those services has increased, extraordinarily increased.
But perhaps, one of the most helpful things is seeing a counsellor and navigating that together.
And so for some people, it's really hard to just get the service in the first place. And I think that that's a real shock to people and can be very painful when you're already in a space where your mental health you're struggling or it's declining, or perhaps it has been for quite some time, because we know a lot of people don't get help until they reach kind of the pointy end of their mental distress. It can be really hard to, be met with, "Oh, sorry, we can't see you."
You can also be referred to more intensive supports, whether that be an inpatient stay, a rehabilitation centre of some kind, depending on the level of support that you need at that time.